Hello everyone, it's Luke Gribben, Business Development Manager here at Integritas Property Group. We're back for another fantastic update. This time we're at Cavendish Waters in Liverpool. Just a reminder of what we're building here. Cavendish Waters is a waterside development consisting of very spacious 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. We're excited to announce that our groundworks partner, Melbrook Construction, will be commencing the groundworks package in the coming weeks. As you've seen from our previous update, Melbrook Construction have recently completed a multi-million pound groundworks package at our prestigious residential development, Central Point. With an extensive portfolio of successful projects, Melbrook are the perfect partner to take Cavendish Waters to the next phase of construction. Just a short walk away from Cavendish Waters is the 10 Streets project, a £110 million regeneration zone that will bring brand new commercial and residential spaces to the city. Nearby is Hartley Dock, a £40 million residential scheme consisting of 185 apartments that will also become part of this new thriving neighbourhood. With the new Everton Stadium set to open at the start of the next football season, just around the corner, this area is expected to be one of Liverpool's most exciting neighbourhoods, with Cavendish Waters right at the heart of this incredible transformation. Now we're going to move down to the canal to go over this week's market news. As always with our updates, we like to keep you up to date on the latest market news. Liverpool City Council have invested £100 million into new electric bus services across the wider city region. Dozens of new electric vehicles and a new bus interchange are set to be delivered as part of a major investment in Liverpool's transport network. As part of this cash boost, millions are earmarked for the reintroduction of bus lanes across Liverpool for the first time in a decade. With the local population growing annually, there is mounting pressure to improve the resilience of the wider transport network. Plans to expand the pedestrian areas of the city centre over the next decade mean public transport networks will form the backbone of a more accessible Liverpool. That's it from us today at Cavendish Waters. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to updating you in the next 4 weeks.